Purdue said it had to rebound the ball and play solid defense in order to get the win over Liberty. The Boilers did both, out-rebounding Liberty 40-38 and holding the Lady Flames to just 26% shooting from the floor.
Those are our two main goals. We worked on it all week in practice, and it was just high emphasis for us, so we went out and tackled those goals.
It was something that we continually stressed in practice and pregame, that they were such a good rebounding team, and they're number one in the country in rebounding margin. So I know that as a team we took that to heart and kind of took it as a challenge, and we rose to the occasion.
I'm just glad we out-rebounded them. I could care less about records right now, but I took it as a personal challenge to limit their offensive rebound opportunities, and for that, obviously, we have to get the defensive board. So I just took it as a personal challenge and did the best I could.
I think it's a statement game for us. You know, we haven't played in about 2 weeks, so it's good to get our legs under us and just run up and down the court because we had a lot of transitions. So this game was a feel-good game.
This team has been through so much adversity. We've been through ups and downs and some very hard things. So to get this win it means a lot for us, and we want more.
Purdue now faces Louisville on Tuesday night at 7 o'clock in the second round of the NCAA tournament. Reporting from the KFC Yum Center, Kayla Martin, Sports 18.